blessed us not only with good amount of bookings for BE6, and we are happy to say this is the first car in Chennai which you guys will be seeing. Delivery starts 14th of February. For our customers who have booked, your cars are on the way. You will see this beauty in few minutes. So I don't want to bore you with long speeches. I will allow the evening to flow. And thank you once again to bless us. Thank you.
A lot of people started talking, what is Mahindra doing? So is it possible even? So I am just referring to when we launched BE6 and 9E and all those marketing promotions video you would have seen which we did on the racetrack. And then again there was a discussion what about the pricing. When the pricing came, the top end was almost 30 lakhs. So when the entire industry was thinking EV 30 lakhs product யாராச்சும் வாங்குவாங்களா அப்படிங்கிற போது ஒரு 30 லட்சம் ரூபாய் ப்ராடக்ட் 7 மாசத்துல 30,000 வண்டி வித்திருக்கு அப்படின்னா that shows the level of confidence from the customers, and a big thanks for all of you first of all who have gathered here. And when I talk about that, definitely இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் from the market இருக்கும்போது அதை கொஞ்சம் கூட வந்துட்டு பிசிறு தட்டாமல் சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, அழகா வந்துட்டு அதை கவனிச்சு ப்ராப்பரா வந்துட்டு கஸ்டமர்ஸுக்கு தேவையானதை செஞ்ச இந்த என்டையர் டீலர்ஷிப் டீம். டுடே we are in Jubilant, but this goes to all dealerships, and thanks to all our dealer partners, the dealer employees, big thanks to you all. Again, this is definitely not possible with your support, without your support. And third thing, I would like to sincerely thank Mahindra senior management team for providing a first class benchmark marvel, you name it, anything. ஒரு flawless product in the price range in EV segment, breaking all the myths. ஏன்னா EV ன்னு வரும்போது வண்டி வந்துட்டு ரோட்ல நின்னுச்சுன்னா என்ன பண்ண முடியும் அப்படின்ற கேள்வியே கிடையாது. ஏன்னா nobody is going to drive more than 400 kilometers in a day. கண்டிப்பா I am sure you will accept it. And in the situation single charge 500 kilometers real world range, not I am just quoting any data, and this is tested, proven by our customers not only in Tamil Nadu, across all the cities pan India. So we can confidently say, we will proudly say that that you are going to you are owning Mahindra product, and we are part of Mahindra. It's a Mahindra family event, and thanks to our management for providing such a wonderful product. Now thanks to Jubilant for organizing a wonderful event like this, and the first dealership where in entire Tamil Nadu we are doing Formula E launch. Thanks to you sir, thanks to Ashish ji, and thanks to entire dealer family. I know that many of the customers are phone pa nipaattunga vandiye kaamingradhu enakku puriyudhu, but I will quickly wrap up. Everybody is aware today, ஏன்னா மோஸ்ட்லி யாருக்குமே தெரியாத விஷயம் இல்லை. இன்னைக்கு BE6 9E யாருக்குமே அவேர்னஸ் அப்படின்றது ஒரு துளி கூட கன்சர்ன் கிடையாது. எவ்ரிபடி இஸ் அவேர் அபவுட் தீஸ் டூ மார்வல் ஆல்ரெடி, அண்ட் we recently launched 9S as well. It's a e-SUV 7-seater, and on the same in-globe pure born electric platform. On the same platform, again before Formula E, everybody would have noticed Batman edition BE6. A product, imagine பண்ண முடியுமான்னு பாருங்க, a product only 1000 vehicles or 999 vehicles available, within 135 seconds it got booked. So that's a wonderful news, and we have in fact delivered also. And similarly now we have Formula E. This is nothing but again one more model. என்ன இதுல புதுசு அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, it's a purely, as you can see, first Formula E themed special edition SUV. Without any further delay, I will just quickly say what exactly is new. BE6 and 90, unlike those two products, this is purely a race vehicle themed inspired product. So Formula E la வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா Mahindra last 12 seasons அவங்க associated ஆயிருக்கு. And that's why, as you can see, I have few slides to show it to you. There are certain elements which actually speak for itself. There are 12 striped graphics on the bonnet and on the roof as well. This is representation, or this means our association for 12 seasons with Formula E. And similarly on the windshield you can see Formula E ceramic painted on the windshield, and this is another beauty of it. And let it be R20 20-inch alloy wheels which we have. That is also racetrack theme. And similarly you have lot of black and orange themed interiors. Can we go to the interiors? Yeah. So you can see the interiors which is having a color accent of firestorm orange and black. You can see a plate which has FIA and the federation who generally monitors the Formula E and Grand Prix events. So similarly you can see even the button push stop button kuda vandu pathina oru open flap type la irukum. So whoever is going to use this vehicle are definitely going to be satisfied in terms of those, you know, race enthusiasts and who were longing for such a wonderful vehicle. So here it is for you, and there are some assured benefits also we have. So in the vehicle book பண்றீங்க ஓகே, பட் ஏன் வந்துட்டு சீக்கிரமா புக் பண்ணனும் அப்படினு கேக்குறவங்களுக்கு ஒரு சில ஆன்சர்ஸ். So there are some assured rewards which we are giving along with the vehicles, not for everybody. First, 999 customers. What is that first reward? You are, as a customer, among the first 999 owners, they are going to live a day as a Formula E racer on the track with Bushmani. Bushmani is our Formula E driver who is driving for our Mahindra vehicle. The next reward, it's a customized memorabilia. It is going to be a hamper with a lot of goodies in it. Special benefit, all the names of these 999 customers are going to be on the car which is going to race in London E-Prix event. So not only that, there are additional exclusive benefits for 3 lucky winners among these 999 customers. So you are going to have if you are going to be a winner among them, you are going to have an exclusive day with our Mahindra Advanced Design Europe, and you are going to witness the Formula E race event at London. So that also we are giving us a benefit. Not just that, last one is there will be a special decal on the fixed glass roof. So these are the exclusive benefits which we have come up with for the 999 customers. Not only that, 3 additional benefits for the lucky winners among the 999 customers. So the features wise on the pathina, there are 2 variants, FE2 and FE3. Price difference on the pathina or 80,000 kita irukum, but only 3 differences between these variants. One is in terms of your intelligent adaptive suspension. You are going to get a 20-inch alloy wheel, and you are going to get a trail lamp, night lamp. So these are the benefits, and this is the price. As you can see, FE starts at 23.69 and 24.49 for the top end, that is FE3. So there are 3 variants. So that's it. I am not going to make you wait for long because.
Okay, let's start with a countdown. I'm just taking my phone and keeping it ready. Everybody, please have your phones ready.